Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram group chat, Instagram group or group chat, whatever you call it. So if you want to do this, it's really simple. You're just going to go to your direct messages, and after that, here you can see few messages I got. You're just going to click on the top right corner pencil button, and after that you can search for people, basically, and you basically just click on few people, and after that you're just gonna click on chat, and here you can see you can write to all these free people whatever you like, and basically you can name this group also, and that's how you create an Instagram group chat. So if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more content like this, and take care. Bye.